Tumanyi okwetoloola okutuukayo. Eri ku mmindi twabadde.
Yonna woyitira Swahili kidogo.
Leero ku makya ssaawa nga 12:30 poliisi twafunye amawulire nti waliwo obuzibu wano mu Kiteezi ne tusindikayo ttiimu esooka okujja okukaakasa n'okulaba kiki ekiriwo. Ttiimu eyo ne batutegeezeza nti kituufu naye tebalina ebikozesa eyinza okutaasa abantu oba okuggyayo emirambo ng'abagala greda n'ebintu ng'ebyo. Kati ne tusalawo okusindika greda nga tukwatira wamu ne aba KCCA ne tusindika greda wano ku site. Tulina site nya gye tuteekwa okukola. Naye wenjogerera kati tumaze okuggyayo emirambo 6 naye nga tetunaba kutuuka wano batugambye nti waliwo abantu 3 be bataasiza nga bakyali balamu naye tetumanyi gye baali, naye tujja kugenda mu clinic gye baba batutte. N'embwa emu waliwo embwa gye bataasizza naye omulimu guno tukyagenda maaso tetugenda kukoma leero. Tusuubira nti tujja kubeera wano nga paka nga tumaze okuggyayo emirambo gonna. Today police received information at around 6:30 about a rubbish or landslide in Kiteezi, and immediately the first team was sent, and when the first team reached here at the site, they couldn't do much. They had to communicate to the highest authority that they need earth moving equipment that can be used to try and retrieve dead bodies that were trapped. And indeed, earth moving equipment were dispatched, and so far we have retrieved the 6 dead bodies. Before us reaching here, the locals had rescued 3 people alive, but we are going to trace them where they are, the various clinics that they were taken to, and we have also rescued 1 dog alive. So far the rescue mission is ongoing. We shall stay here until we see that all the dead bodies are retrieved. In case, and if there is anybody who is still alive, we see that we rescue that person.
When are you having the dead bodies?
We have taken the dead bodies to City Mortuary, Mulago, for post-mortem, and after that, the relatives will have the liberty to pick them up after the post-mortem has been done.
Okay, Kadi, no problem. Ereta Ramson muhirwe. Ereta manyaga muhirwe.
Andika emirimu. Kati twazuddeyo emirambo 6, emirambo gino gyonna twagitutte mu kuwanika Mulago. Awo abantu be bajja kujja babikime. Naye omulimu guno tekugenda kuwa leero. Tukyali wano, tuyinza n'okumala wiiki namba nga tukyakola mulimu guno. Abalamu babadde 3 naye abo twatuuse wano nga bamaze okubadduusa mu ddwaliro, naye tugenda kubanoonya tumanye nti bali luddawa. Naye n'embwa twataasiza emu.
Okay, we've known that Kiteezi reached capacity about 9 to 8 years ago. Now, once it reached capacity, we began purchasing new plots of land adjacent to it so that we can continue to dump. This is in order to protect the communities around, because we knew the higher you go, the slopes become steeper, so the threat of landslides increases. So we've gone on to buy more land in order to be able to dump. We dump about 1,500 tons of waste every day here in Kiteezi. So we've been prudent to make sure that we don't pile higher. We buy more land so that we're able to spread the waste away from the steep slopes. So we as KCCA, we've tried our best to ensure that we are prudent, we protect people's lives, we don't dump at risk. However, the activities of the communities who have continued to build advancing towards the landfill has also created new risks for them. So now the way forward is we are going to map out a zone together with the Wakiso District Leadership and Management. What is the risk zone where people should not come close until this dump site is decommissioned? Yeah. Okay, one thing you should know is that it's only KCCA that dumps garbage here. But that doesn't mean that KCCA should escape blame from what happened. But what happened was a result of activities of waste pickers. People were picking up waste bottles, trying to convert them into valuable material and sell them on the market. Now we don't know what equipment they were using to weaken the sides of the dump slopes. So early in the morning, 7:30, there is a landslide. Okay? Of course, with rain weakens the properties of any structure. So there was a landslide, overtopped about 20 to 30 houses with families. Some had remained behind, who we're trying to rescue right now. So, but this is an accident. No one anticipated it, no one planned it. So right now the priority is to save as many lives as possible. Eno nga bwe ngambye no accident tewali muntu yeetegese kulaba nga embeera eno ebeerawo. Ekyasinza okuleeta obutawaana be bantu be tuyita ba waste pickers. Abantu abapikinga waste abadde operating waggulu w'olusozi lwa Kasasiro. Ate mu kiseera ekyenkuba ng'olusozi luba lunafuye. Tetumanyi bapima kibadde bakozesa, but nabo bakoseddwa mu accident eno. So olusozi ne luyiika. Ne luyiikira abantu abazimba kumpi ne landfill. But of course, si time ya kunenya muntu yena. Ebitalo bibaddewo kati saawa ya kuza kulaba nga tununula abantu abasinga abakoseddwa amangu ddala nga kisoboka. Then after that, twabenga tulaba nga tutangira abantu okusembera landfill eno. We've been trying to resettling many families over time is it at risk. Ekyasinga kyali kibatawaanya amazzi agava mu lusozi lwa Kasasiro nga luyingirira amaka g'abantu abo tubadde tugezaako okulaba nga tujjawo. Naye ekintu ky'olusozi okuyiika olwa Kasasiro kiba tekyanaba kubeerawo okumala emyaka nga 10. Guno gwe gusoose. Buli kintu kyonna kyetaaga nsimbi. Dundu wala okusinga Kiteezi. Dundu weetaaga ssente nnyingi okusinga budget gyekozesa Ekiteezi. Ate tuba tukyalinawo ettaka eka nga 3 oba 4 ze tukyakozesa. Tuba tukya operatingira wano awayiise. Tuba tuli ku side eri the east side eya landfill. Gye tuba tukolera nga tuyiwayo Kasasiro. Because naffe tuba tumanyi obulabe danger eri ku side y'eno. So tulina emyezi nga 9 paka 12 okubanga tumazewo ne acres 4, then twabenga tushiftinga tugende Dundu. Naye nga of course gyetugenda mu maaso tetugenda cooperatinga tutwala Kasasiro mu landfill. Twakulaba nga Kasasiro tumufuula maali, tumugyamu ekintu ky'ebbeeyi kibenga kirina ky'omugaso ekivaamu. Tubenga tukyazimba nsozi nga zino eziri wano Ekiteezi. Of course tugenda ku mapping out zone eri in danger. Tulabenga abantu tubaliyirira baveewo because kati ekintu ky'obulamu okubanga tubiteeka mu katyabaga tekikyali sustainable. Gye tugenda mu maaso tulabenga buli omu tumutaasa tuleme kudda mu mbeera eno gye tulimu ku ssaawa eno.
Sooka kati gye tuli kulaba ky'okukola ekyetaagisa kati okulaba nti abantu bali wansi mu ttaka tufune engeri esobola bajjamu, era nsaba Katonda nti tufunemuko abavaayo nga balamu kyetwagala kukola. Ate tulina abapoliisi abamilitary bonna bali wano n'aba KCCA okulaba nti tuyanguwe mangu okuggyako abantu bali wansi tubabikiza wansi. N'ekiddako ejja kuba okulaba nti tufune we tusobola bateeka bali ababaddeyo nga ettaka zibise ennyumba zaabwe bafune we basobola kubeerayo temporarily. Ate n'ekirala office ya disaster tuli kulaba nti tubaleetera emmere esobola bayamba, naye ekisinga ky'amakulu tujja kutuula wansi ng'abakulembeze ne abalala tulabe nti abantu baffe baleme okufuna what happened again. Era nze ga minisita wa disaster nikubagamba nti oba olabye nti osobola kufuna obuzibu lwaki osigalirayo, era abantu bajja kuvaayo baveeyo bagende bali safe. Era tukyafuna meeting ne ba KCCA tulabe tubabuuze kubanga bane balina already plan okufuna walanyi basobola kusuula kikasasiro lwaki baluddeyo. Ante mpulidde abantu balaba bagamba nti waliwo abajja wano bakola survey ebya ssente bya corruption, era ebintu ebyo byonna obadde oyina kizibu ekyo kyenjagala bategeeza nti President Museveni ensonga za corruption ate nga zizireeta ne zituuka mu kizibu ndala kino era ojja kusasula. Naye kyenjagala bagamba nti ffe nga ba leaders tujja kufuna engeri esobola kufuna abantu batwale walala nga eri safe. Now, if those are one of the allegations I've not heard, but as my office, I'm going to take it upon myself to, have a concrete strategy on how this can be handled. Because when the office of the Prime Minister, we got in touch with the Prime Minister herself, the question was, how can we get people out? So whether you've been eating money from these people or benefiting from the project, that is now must stop. What is important is saving lives of the people. And if you took money from anybody or you are playing deals, and the law will get you. That one, there is no joke about it, because that is the heart of the president. As per now, corruption is a no tolerance to him. Opinion. So I've called all the local leaders. We sit down and agree where these people can temporarily be relocated. Preferably whether it's school, where there is security, or any open land. But we have to get where they can go.
In terms of early warning and the rest, the ministry, what are you going to do to ensure that those who are remaining behind, because I see there are still many people staying around this place. It has hit one side, but on the other side, there are also other people living, having houses. What are you going to do to ensure that we avoid the repeat of this?
Now, one of the most effective way to handle issues is prevention. When you identify a risk, you have to see how to prevent it. So I was talking to the local leaders. I saw some politicians bringing in a lot of, politics. I'm taking people to go, and that is not necessary for now. Right now, the truth is our people who are here can see that a heap of this rubbish, deposited here is dangerous. So you must leave the place. And besides the interactions that have been ongoing, people need to agree, and the leaders must provide guidance. You can't say, stay, this is your land, but you see there's risk. And I can tell you, I'm not throwing blames, but there are people who had accepted to evacuate this place earlier on, others did not accept. But also in the long term, KCCA now has to look for another alternative. I'm happy that the ED said there's land that are identified somewhere else, but we just have to be proactive and prevent such things from happening.
The people were complaining that actually
Red Cross is on the way to come and set up the tents where they can temporarily get shelter as we look at way forward.
Have you so far gotten where you're going to relocate some of the people? Where they were staying, she can even take you there, right? Where they were staying. Get her mind. These are their belongings. They start dumping here. All that information are easy to a official. Right, wali ya official kesi. Naiko labe ekiri wali ku ntumu. Sawa yonna kituuka. For the week.
ne bali abali eri